Our card management feature gives you the ability to enable or disable each card you have with us. Select a card, then tap either the Turn Card On or Turn Card Off button to adjust your card's activity status. Turning a card off only affects future transactions. Any previous or recurring transactions you've authorized will still occur. Enter a card name by selecting a card and entering a new card name. Create custom card alerts by tapping the Manage Alerts button. Once created, card alerts will appear in your alerts page. You can quickly take additional security precautions within your card's security settings. Tap Change PIN to change your card's PIN number. If your card has been lost or stolen, tap Report Lost or Stolen Card to make a card inactive to prevent any further suspicious activity. To restrict your card's ability to make international purchases, tap Travel Notification and establish your travel destinations and travel dates. Toggle the Enable Automatic On-Off feature to set up a schedule to automatically turn your card on and off for specific days and times.